All right, hello, welcome ghosts to a new TA on the Casper token. We will dive straight into the markets. So let's say that on the weekly time frame, we can observe a clear bearish ICI. We see the impulse, boom, a correction, boom, and an impulse, and the impulse is not done yet. So what is an ICI? We have a high, we have a low, we have a lower high, and then we create our lower low, but our lower low isn't created yet. Um, we can also look at different important levels like this one, this doji before the really giant move. We can actually extend this. And for me, it's going to be a clear indicator that we're going to drop when we close our candle below this level, because right now we are in this demand zone, in this very specific demand zone, right? We can see that we have been here for a couple of weeks. The reason I think we're gonna make it further because this candle had a huge liquidity grab to the upside. Um, and now we're still seeing what it created. It brought a lot of liquidity in the market, and a lot of people are selling Casper, selling and shorting, of course. So, what do we also see on the what do we also see? Okay, so what I can actually see here is a left shoulder, a potential head, I think around here. And then we might see here our right shoulder, which is an inverse head and shoulders, which indicates a reversal, and then we'll boom, guys. I think, yeah, see this, I mean, a bit more here. I think maybe like November, yeah, October, November, we might actually see. We might see it sooner, but I'm waiting for these levels. Look, on the weekly time frame, we also see a very important demand zone right here. One of the first ones ever created before a big run. So that's a very important indicator. And look where it exactly comes out. We take our Fibonacci from our highest high to our lowest low in um, the ICI, and then we can actually see that the um, this demand zone has not been touched yet. I mean, it has been touched here a couple of times, but not in this run. So we might actually see this get hit. And as I was saying, guys, in my previous in my previous analysis, that we can actually, if we take this bearish ICI, impulse, correction, impulse, if we take our fibs from here, and I told you guys this 1,000 times, I think. By the way, we're going right here. This was the lowest low of the ICI right here. And then we can actually see that Casper might wipe its new lows like a lot of other coins are doing at this very moment. A lot of a lot of tokens are actually wiping their lows, which means that soon a new and hopefully improved um, bear market rally for altcoins. So alt season is gonna start. But first, we have to catch up on the big Bitcoin drops, let's say. This one was pure manipulation, guys. You should watch the market and you should think pure manipulation. All right. Let's go further into the video, and I'll explain why. All right. So on the daily time frame, now we're gonna check the daily time frame. Let's delete all of these ICIs for just clarity. Um, we see that we are actually currently in another ICI, an impulse, a correction, and an impulse. When is an ICI valid? In my opinion, not in my opinion, but if it has reached any of these levels, my ICI for me is clear. So it has reached the 0.382. So now, why is this so important? Because right here, we can actually go and look for this little doji right here for before a big move. I always take those for demand zones. We are currently, and if we close under this one, this is a very strong level that and an indicator that we will drop. Um, so this is really exciting. All right, so let's see if I didn't miss anything. Also, we see a head and shoulders pattern emerging on the daily time frame. Oh wait, let's see this. Also, here we see a head and shoulders right here, right here, and right here, or even just those long wicks, right? They tell us a story as well. So what are these long wicks? I told you, I think I posted a tweet earlier to say that this long wick here, right? This was created in less than 30 seconds, and we can go to the 1 minute chart, and I'll blow your mind. Let's see to the 1 minute chart, and then you can see this here. This was done in less than 1 minute. All right, back to the daily. So yeah, guys, you can see that the market is being manipulated all the time. Right now, there's not such a beautiful. This was such a weird time for me because this is not good for traders. This is very silly and you cannot really predict it. I mean, it goes up and blah blah blah. It's not really clear. Long wicks, always with Casper. I don't know what it is. Still a low market cap coin, easy to manipulate and stuff like that. And it's a lot of potential. So yeah. So yeah, clear, and that's why I was so happy to see a clear ICI. So now if we take the fibs of this ICI, the high to the absolute low here, oh, like this. All right, then we can actually see this one deleted. No, this one deleted. All right, this one also. Boom. And then we take it again. We can see that I would have started to actually, I would have placed my entry right here, and then I would short the market, but I don't short Casper, right? But and then I would put my stop loss above these levels. But what do I see? That if I would have shorted Casper, the market would have eliminated me by these long wicks. So that's what they do. They want liquidity to drop, right? And now we're seeing a drop, and we will see a drop to, in my opinion, 3.2 cents, and that's being conservative because I think we can actually reach all-time lows. But you know that's my personal opinion. That would be if a new pandemic hit or something like that, a black swan event like they call it. Um, so yeah, we will, I hope, close under this beautiful demand zone that we were in, and then that demand zone becomes a supply zone, and you know, in supply zones, there's a lot of liquidity in demand zones as well. So right here, I think there is a lot of liquidity created right here as well, like these long dojis. Like the market consists of dojis, guys. Dojis are super important. They're investment um, um, levels where big banks and investors and big facilities actually trade and buy and sell. All right. So let's see if I didn't miss anything. Yeah, so bearish ICI, multiple trend lines. So the trend lines, guys, those are the best indicators in my opinion to see where the market is going. So let's see. I would take a trend line from here to here. And we're also always waiting for a third touch, right? Always waiting for this third touch. Why the third touch? Because a trend line is confirmed when a trend is confirmed when it hits. I'm going to the weekly. This way easier to see them. A trend is confirmed when three or more touches are being respected, right? So let's see this. Um, right here. Another trend line right here. So this price is very, this is very solid trend line as well. I'm gonna delete it for the purpose of this video. Also, if we take a trend line from here to let him touch here, right? You see that my levels are being respected quite well. Let's see this. Yeah, see an extra confirmation, right? So I think we're actually going to the 3.2 cents. It's not what I want, guys. It's what the market wants to do. So let's go to the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, all of these trend lines are actually like you can change them a bit, right? Because it's always less clear when you jump to a different time frame, but still they can be respected. The higher the time frame, the more important your trend lines are. The higher time frame, the more important. Oh my God, look at this intersection, guys. Look at this. This is a 0.29. Oh geez, I just saw this, guys. I just saw this. This is something I didn't calculate in my previous theory, but you know, this one might actually, yeah, this is a trend line, guys. This is, oh my Lord. Yeah, I think we're going down for a bit still. Can always be that I'm wrong, guys. I'm not Jesus. I'm sorry, Jesus. I love Jesus. Um, but still, look at this. This is beautiful. We also see this clear ICI impulse correction impulse. Um, yeah, we also see the head and shoulders very clear here. So let's see right here, here, and here. Let's delete these. I don't know where they're still here. All right, like this. And now it's impulse correction and then drop. What also can happen is we retest this one. We retest this supply zone. Boom, boom, boom. And then we have a very clear ICI. I mean, right now we have a very clear one on the daily, but on the 4-hourly, it doesn't really seem viable. Um, yeah, this is insane, guys. This is absolutely, yeah, this is monstrous. This prediction. I mean, guys, give me a like and subscribe and share it with your friends. You know, I really appreciate it. I put a lot of effort in these videos, a lot of effort screening the market every day. So yeah. Thank you so much for watching already, but we're gonna get other um, some other things out of the way as well. I told you all this was a fake out. No one believed me. I would say like right here, I told you that we would go to zero point 0.4 and look. Oh yeah, by the way, my sorry, 0.4. When we were at 0.4, so 4 cents, I told you guys we would go to 3.4 cents. And look, guys, what is this? All right, so yeah, my analysis lately has been very accurate because I've been working for hours and hours and hours to better it. And guys, this is no coincidence, right? This is no coincidence. This is actually, I mean, in my opinion, it's gonna happen, right? So yeah, oof, was that everything? Did I say everything? All right, yeah, guys. So stay tuned for new market updates. I hope you like and favor and subscribe and stuff. All that stuff that I don't really know about. I'm just a regular guy doing some YouTube videos for you guys to I've never actually made videos and I'm still getting better, I hope. Um, but yeah, this is what Casper will look like in my opinion. We can see that there is almost no upside potential right now. All of these trend lines have broken. All of these uptrends have been broken. All of them. I'm not even kidding. Like this, all of them have been broken. Um, we can look even here. This trend was confirmed. Boom, 3 touches. So yeah, to not make it as complicated as it seems, I'm going to tell you that the market is going to drop, and that's my personal opinion. I don't know. The market can do a backflip, and suddenly like everyone wants to buy. I don't know. So stay tuned for more updates. I thank you so much for watching these videos. This is so valuable information. I hope you learn something new every time. Also, if you want me to make like tutorial videos on how to trade and stuff like that, and how to find trends in the market, just send me a private message or comment on my video, and I'll see what I can do. And maybe it's gonna be interesting to teach you more about this lovely world of trading. So yeah, see you soon, and goodbye, ghosts. That's me for today.